Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, Evil here. Today we are going to take a look at the new router from MikroTik. It's a new CCR2004 line. So we are going to take a look at the member behind the product code CCR2004-1G-12S+2XS. So let's open the box and take a look what's inside. We are rated with the standard MikroTik manual. We have two power cables, which already indicates how many power supplies our device has. We have K10 screw kit with the rubber feet and MikroTik sticker. Then we have two rack ears. And now let's take a look at the star of the show. So, here's our new router. What do we have here? This CCR2004 model is equipped with some nice ports. So, at the front we have two 25 gigabit SFP28 ports paired with 12 SFP plus 10 gigabit ports with added management and console port. We also have reset button, user LED, fault LED, and two power supply LEDs. At the side we have ventilation intakes. At the back we have two power supply connections, both with these great cable locks. I love this. This is wonderful. You can snag your cable out of when deployed. We have two fans paired with huge aluminum passive heatsink. This is incredibly great design, which lowers temperatures a lot. I like this from CRS317. They started using this solution back then. I mean, I believe it's even before that, but I like this solution a lot. This is great, lowers the temperature and also noise, because this fan can really be loud. So let's see what we have at the other side. We don't have nothing except mounting points for the rack ears, and that's all from the outside. We can also talk a little bit about this device dimensions, and it measures 443 millimeters of width, 222 millimeters of depth, and standard 44 millimeters of height. Maximum power consumption of this device is 49 watts, and it can operate in the range from minus 20 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. Let's also talk a little bit about what's inside, because that's the thing that most of you would like to know. We have quad-core CPU. The designation is AL32400. And it operates at 1700 megahertz, and it is equipped with 4 gigabytes of ECC RAM. But I need to mention, if you're using Router OS version 6, you can only utilize up to 1792 megabytes. So to use 4 gigabytes that this device had at its disposal, you need to install Router OS version 7. So yeah, you have up to 4 gigabytes of DDR4 eCRM. We also have 128 megabytes of flash and no additional USB expansion for the storage. The Router OS in this device is level 6. Oh, okay. Where would you like to use this device? MikroTik says that it's perfect replacement for the old CCR1009, but this device is quite powerful. It can reach even up to 3.5 gigabits of throughput, of IPsec throughput. So, and I'm going to say up to 3.4 gigabits. So yeah, take a look at the official site where you have full specifications. So this is our CCR2004. It's not the last model from this product line. I will review more when I got them. So stay tuned for these next videos. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. He will sign out.